Hey guys.
Hey everybody, welcome to our channel once again. I'm here with Manny Jr. today. Say hi, boy.
What's up?
Alright, today we're gonna be doing a unboxing of my off-road gear because Junior already has his gear, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna do a quick video because it's raining outside and yeah, we cannot do nothing today outside because it's raining. I was gonna wash my Kodiak 450, but it's raining. I cannot wash it right now. Yesterday I washed the Grizzly 90.
Yeah, which you guys already know. You guys can watch one of our when you go to our channel, click like a video that tells about that kind of sounds like washing. I don't know the title, but I know it has a sound like washing.
Okay, then we're gonna start with this box right here. As you can see, it's a HJC helmet. It's the same as whatever he has, but the difference is the color, right?
Yeah, we know, but we're gonna show you guys. But we're gonna show you guys what it actually looks like.
Yeah, we already know how it looks,
Yeah,
right?
Yeah.
But
okay.
yeah,
It looks pretty sweet.
looks pretty sweet. Okay,
Yeah.
get the box out of there.
Okay. Where do I put it?
Put it right here. All right,
Okay.
so we're doing this video in one take. So
So we can't mess up. No problems.
if we
Nothing.
mess up, then sorry.
Yeah, this video won't be uploaded. So guys,
Yeah.
as you see, this thing is sweet.
All right, so here's the bag. It comes with the bag, and here's the helmet. I'm gonna show it to them real close. As you can see,
Wait, should they see me put it on?
no,
No. Weird.
this is my helmet.
But remember, it fits him.
Yeah, it fits him too because it's the same. It's the same size. So we have the same head, same measure, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on real quick so they can see how it looks.
Yep. And then can I put it on? So they can see if it fits.
There you go. It fits really good, and I like because it's black.
You like the color black?
Huh?
You like the color black?
I just like it because it's all the way black, so it doesn't have anything. I can put some stickers in it.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
But mine's is like, mine's is like a different color. Mine's is like green and black.
Yeah. Okay. So here is the helmet. So now we're gonna open. This comes with the helmet. So now we have another box.
Which has dun, 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 dun,
All right. Let's start with this one.
goggles.
All right, let's start with the goggles. Okay, so we have the goggles. These are a fly racing goggles. So we are going to open them.
We haven't opened them yet though.
No, this one's no.
Right.
All right, so here's the box.
Okay. Wait, can I show them up close this time?
Okay, you go. Show them up.
Now. This looks pretty sweet. Look, it kind of looks like the things that you use for snow, but except they're for ATVs and stuff.
ATV. Let me see. Okay, so look. So they look good and they feel good. They're fly. Come on, Daddy. Right, sorry because we got Beauty right here in the back.
Yeah.
All right, so
Sorry.
these are the goggles.
Now we're gonna start with something that my dad just bought, and it's for something for our camera. A new frame.
We got a new frame for our camera because
Okay, it's because it's broken.
this one, the original
It's
GoPro, you see, it's broke right here, so it doesn't like close it anymore. So we had to get another. We had to get another frame. So we're gonna open the frame first, okay? So okay. hold on.
We need something to cut it.
Here we got the camera.
The GoPro 7.
The GoPro 7, here it is. We are going to buy a GoPro 9 or maybe a GoPro 10, but
Wait, what's a GoPro 10?
it's another one. But we need your support, right?
Yeah, the more likes we get, the more we will buy the GoPro 10. And we just saw, we just see what.
Okay,
before we record this, We still have 72 subscribers.
62.
Oh, I mean 62 subscribers.
All right,
Thank you, guys.
so here we go. We have a little pad right here. I don't know what this is for yet. And then we have our new frame.
Okay, let's see what it is. I don't know. We don't know what it. Oh, that looks nice.
Here's a new frame. Let me show it to them close. So here we have the new GoPro frame. This is not a GoPro brand, but you know, this is what we need. Yeah, it's gonna be working really good now.
I just realized something. It kind of looks like the same thing as the original one.
It kind of look like, but you know what? This one look a little bit more. It looks a little bit more like thin, but I mean it's almost the same. So it's the same. So a little bit different right here.
So they look the same, but there's only one difference, right?
There you go. You see, brand new. And what I like is you had on this one you can open the where you can connect your USB, and yeah, so you don't have to be taking it out every time, as you can see right there. I'm gonna switch this one for the original, and yeah, we're gonna do that in the next whenever we go to
Best Buy.
no, whenever we go to ride the bikes again.
Okay.
All right, so here we got the frame.
Now here's the last thing, and I don't know what this is.
The last item I buy is a Rhino. It's called Rhino USA. There's some bungee cords.
Wait, what's a bungee cord?
I'm gonna show you right now.
Oh.
This is a set of bungee cords. We have let me see how many we have here. We have let me see if we have a
full set?
a quantity. Okay, here we got the quantity. We have I don't know if you can see there. We have 40 blue. I mean 2 sets of 40 blue, 2 sets of 32 green, 4 sets of 24 yellow, 6 of no, sorry. We have 2 of 40 inch, 2 of 32, 4 of 24, 6 of 18, and 6 mini ties, and 4 canopy ties, and 4 4 tar clips. All right, so we have plenty of bungee cords right now.
Okay.
Here, and we're gonna use this bungee cord for different things. We're gonna use it in the sound system, and we're gonna use them also when we are carrying something in our ATVs. You wanna show one close?
Okay, yeah.
Okay,
I
here.
want to show the green one.
Take the green one over there.
Now look at this bad boy, guys. Look, this matches my uniform. Nice.
Okay, move back a little bit so they can see it. You see all these right here? We have all these bungee cords.
Oh, no more virus.
We have more bungee cords, and we have plenty of clips and mini bungees. Oh, and we have a bag. Look at this. Nice. We get a bag, so that's good. So we can put all the bungee cords right here in this bag.
Wait,
Okay.
wait, can I show one more?
One more, a red one. Okay, go show them.
And here's the red one. Hold on, let me just see something.
And then we get a lot of stickers too. We might put one somewhere in the ATVs, because we have some other stuff, some other Rhino stuff that I might show you next time whenever we are off-roading. Okay?
I just realized something.
What?
The red is more smaller than the green. Can you guys see this?
Yeah, because they're different. They're different sizes. Okay, come on, let's finish with this video. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. We got our my off-road gear today, right?
Yeah, but if you guys want to see my gear,
You can check out the video, right?
You can check out our video with just the 2022 Yamaha gear, I think, gear overview, right? Is that the video?
I think it's called off-road gear.
Oh, off-road.
Yeah.
It's because we posted it like 3 months ago.
Yeah, something like that. Okay, so here we got the bag. That looks good. So we can put everything here in the bag.
Yeah, that's good.
That's good.
Now, guys, remember, like, subscribe, and hit that little bell. So,
All right.
So you guys can see more videos. But guys, remember, make us to 100 subscribers, okay? like we said, like yesterday. I mean, 2 days ago. 2 days ago.
Okay, guys, thank you for everything. Thank you for watching. And yeah, like I said, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And we're gonna be uploading more videos. We're gonna go this weekend. We're gonna go to another off-road park, and we're gonna be recording those trails. And yeah, we're gonna be doing a lot of trail riding with the ATVs, with the Grizzly 90, with the Kodiak 450. We're gonna be doing a light off-road with the 2022 Toyota Tacoma, and also we are gonna be uploading more videos about the 2022 Cargo May 6x12 enclosed trailer, because we have a lot of videos coming. So thank you for watching. Say bye, Bobby.
Bye, guys.
See ya.